Outside the cockpit, so that's a way to think of it, inside and outside the aerobatic universe. And going around an inside loop with a snap roll on top. Take a look at this radial engine biplane test now. With two beautiful ladies standing on the wings, standing on the lower wings of old Smoky. Waving to you as they taxi on out. It's our wing walkers. Here comes Johnny Schmeck with a beautiful 4-point